Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about competitive programming platform for beginners. What is meant by actually competitive programming? So, competitive programming is a brain sport that involves applying algorithms and data structure to solve coding puzzles. Participants must write code while following two different constraints, and the constraints are memory limit, execution time, coding limit, and space. Competitive programming's winner is determined by the number of factors, that is, number of challenges completed and the amount of time spent developing successful programming solutions. First one is TopCoder. TopCoder is one of the original platforms for competitive programming online. It provides a list of algorithmic challenges from the past that you can complete on your own directly online using their code editor. Their popular single round matches are offered a few times per month at a specific time where you compete against others to solve challenges the fastest with the best score. The top ranked users on TopCoder are very good competitive programmers and regularly compete in programming competition. Next one is a LeetCode. LeetCode is a popular online judge that provides a list of 190 plus challenges that can help you prepare for technical job interviews. You can solve the challenges directly online in one of 9 programming languages. You are not able to view other users' solutions, but you are provided statistics for your own solutions, such as how fast your code runs when compared to other users' code. They also have a mock interview section that is specifically for job interview preparation that hosts their own coding contests, and they have a section for articles to help you better understanding certain problems. Next one is CodeShape. CodeShape is an Indian-based competitive programming website that provides hundreds of challenges. You are able to write code in their online editor and view a collection of challenges that are separated into different categories depending on your skill level. They have a large community of coders that contribute to the forum, write tutorials, and take a part in CodeShape coding competition. Next one is HappyRun. HappyRun provides challenges for several different domains such as algorithms, mathematics, SQL, functional programming, AI, and more. You can solve all the challenges directly online. They provide a discussion and leaderboard for every challenge, and most challenges come with an editorial that explains more about the challenge and how to approach it to come with a solution. Aside from the editorial, you cannot currently view the solutions of other users on HackerRun. HackerRun also provide the ability for users to submit applications and apply to jobs by solving company-sponsored coding challenges. Next one is Spojo, Peer Online Judge. It is an online judge that provides over 20k coding challenges. You are able to submit your code in an online editor. Spojo also hosts their own contest and has an area for users to discuss coding challenges. They do not currently provide any official solutions or editorials like some other websites do. Next one is CodeForces and CodeMonk. CodeMonk is also given by the CodeForces. CodeForces is a website that hosts competitive programming contests. It is maintained by a group of competitive programmers from ITMO University led by Natalie Mirza-Jones. Since 2013, CodeForces claims to surpass TopCoder in terms of active contestants. Next one is HackerRun. HackerRun is also Indian software company headquarters in San Francisco, US, that provides enterprise software that helps organizations with their technical hiring needs. HackerRun is used by organizations for technical skill assessment and remote video interviews. In addition to that, HappyRun also has a community and since inception built a base of 4 million plus developers. In the community, HappyRun is known for having conducted thousands plus hackathons and 10,000 plus programming challenges to date. These are the some references, so don't waste your time and register on any of these competitive programming websites. Visit to any website like visit to hackerearth.com, create your profile and start coding from today only. Thank you very much for watching.